Alright, we're gonna do some rollers for the stock height version of the car and then for the nice lowered version of the car. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Well, I GG'd myself. If anyone knows how to fix a speedometer, that's the pin is stuck below the 0, let me know. But yeah, it's busted.
Oh, I got so much stuff.
I got some lower control on. Oh, I don't want to show my address. That's not a good thing. This is the K-Tune K1 Street coilovers and the LCA's upper control arms and camber adjustments. So let's get into unboxing these. Oh my god, it's kind of. I'm gonna take one out. Take it all out first before I drop everything. So according to K-Tune, they ran out of their lower control arms, so they routed me to TrueHeart, and it turns out TrueHeart uses the exact same bushings. So they said honestly they're very identical in the feeling because the bushings are all the same, so I didn't really mind. I was planning to get another brand, but might as well just go all out on the same brand, so thank you to K-Tune for that. And we're just gonna take a look at these coilovers. K-Tune K1 Street coilovers. The camber adjustment is from the upper control arm. So, height adjustable and dampening. Upper control arm, but it's also like the camber arms too. So as you see right here, it adjusts right here. And that's how we're gonna fix that really bad wheel gap. This really bad wheel gap. And that's how we're also gonna roll the fenders, but we'll worry about that later. You know, it might just self-roll itself if we just drive it. You think so?
No.
It will just destroy my fenders?
Yes.
Damn. Take a look at the TrueHearts. I think these should be pretty... Yeah. Ooh. What do you think? So beefy. I have the 2 lower control arms. So I don't think I recorded this part, but for the Civics, all these Civics, all the old cars tend to have this really bad squeaking problem. It scares the out of every one of my passengers. It's because the bushings are bad, turns out. It's not because of like anything else on the car. It's just because the bushings are terrible on the car because they're so old. So this is the, I think, front lower control arm. So hopefully that'll fix the issue. So yeah, I'm literally doing a full suspension install on this $2,000 car. Why am I doing this, Lawrence?
Because you can.
But do I really want to?
No. Yes.
Yeah, I kinda do. This is the rear camber arm. It's a lot easier. It's just the thing's just a twist, right? Like.
Yes. We're a very noisy neighborhood.
It's very a lot of families actually. Let's get to installing it. I have no idea how to do this. I've never looked up a guide on how to do this. I just know that this is the strut, and from when I was under the car, this should connect to the control arm. And I have no idea how to undo the lower control arm, so we're gonna figure that out right now. That's tight. Lefty loosey, right?
Yes.
Alright. So I'm pulling. Oh wait. Penetrating one. I just sprayed everywhere, shouldn't I? Regardless of what you do, on every old car, get some penetrating oil or penetrating spray. Yeah, just spray down everything. Just wait for like, I don't know, 20 minutes. I sprayed this earlier, but I guess it wasn't enough, or maybe I just missed it completely. So we're gonna see how all that turns out, and hopefully it is okay. Yeah? Either undo the lower control arm, and then shake this loose, knock loose the strut, and then you're gonna unpin it from the upper control arm, which is what we're gonna replace it with the upper control arm that's also a camber arm. Unbolt the strut, take the strut out, and you're gonna have a whole empty engine. I wish I had better lighting, but I don't. I'm sorry. I wanna say these are 12s. They are not 12s, they are 13s. They're not 13s, they're 14s. I'm not gonna use this. You did it! Oh, I got it.
I was looking.
I forgot to remove the brake line, so I don't want to
Oh yeah, that was a technical stuff.
do that first.
And there we go! I got it!
Got it. Oh, this thing is heavy. This is the front. You gotta remove the fork, put it on here, and then you put it in the car. I was wondering why I would lose 6 freaking inches from this. It didn't make sense. It's okay. We got it. We're gonna take off the fork and then put it onto that. I'm gonna sit on this. Ah, there we go. I just moved all the suspension forks from the OEM struts to the coilovers, and I actually changed it from the factory. It was about a 3 and a 1/4 inch drop before, but I changed it to a 2 3/4 inch drop because I don't want to lose so much height because I don't want to GG my fenders right now. I can always lower it later. That is not the priority, so we'll leave that alone. All right, so today is day 3. I don't think I recorded the beginning of day 2, but Anthony and John came over to help me out a little bit. So I managed to get out the LCA for the front suspension, but it ended up becoming a little harder on the other side. So right now I'm gonna work on the other side, hopefully get it out and be done. So I saw this on YouTube. Basically you wedge this in, something flat and rigid in, between the ball joint and the control arm. And then you let the car slam down and then it creates tension on the joint and then you whack it out. But it's kind of dangerous, so gotta be careful. Alright, so look at another thing. Look under here. Right there. The ball joint's already separated. Oh my god, are you serious? It's just not slipping out. I was waiting for this to slip out. So I'm gonna bang it with a wrench on right here, with a wrench and a hammer, and hopefully it just pops out. Oh my god! Alright, let's put into perspective this. This is the new suspension right here. Just make sure that the locking pin under, right under where the ball joint is, make sure you save that. They do give you a new locking pin for the upper control arm, but not for the lower one. So you gotta reuse the stock ones, you gotta reuse all the bolts, so be careful with that. So yeah, this is the completed front end suspension. And this is a full K-tuned suspension. Oh my god, that is low. And it's gonna settle like, I might be sitting on my fender. Oh my god. But that fitment though. But oh my god, it is so low now. Okay, so here are the K-tuned rear coils and the True Heart LCA. So basically this is a full K2 suspension. I don't care if this is True Heart because in the end the bushings are what really keep the feeling, and if the bushings are the same, it's basically K-tuned. And then this will go right here. So, okay. So to change the adjustment, it's like this, and then you tighten it down. So I literally spent the last hour cleaning my garage to find this socket. I left it on the torque wrench, so I should probably loosen this, but just don't. I've done this so many times, like builds take so much longer just because I like forget where I put tools. So I'm gonna get this done, and then hopefully the car will be lower and the front won't be as low, so I don't bottom out much. But still have to roll my fenders, still have to do stuff. But first things first, let's do this. Gonna replace the LCA and the strut, and then I'll do the camber arm because I don't want to hold suspension just on the ground. Oh my god, are you? It's not even 17s! These bolts aren't even 17, I think they're 16. Okay, never mind. Okay, so take the factory strut. I'm going to measure the two out and I'm gonna see the difference in height, and then I'm gonna do the same thing, 0.5 inches probably, but I wanna see and make sure that this one is not too short, because I really don't want to bottom out my car, and not bottom out, I mean GG my fenders, because I'm stupid, so. Okay, so the drop for this one's already 2.5 inches. The drop for the back one was 2 3/4. So I don't know, maybe, but proportionately, I'm assuming that factory height makes sense. So I'm not gonna mess with it. The front already dropped 2 3/4 inches. It's dropping 2.5 in the back. So for now, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna see where it goes. I'm gonna leave it as it is right now. I'm gonna lock it one last time, and then just see what happens, because I really don't know if this is enough drop or too much. So we'll see when I drop the car, and if it all kind of works out, I'm gonna leave it. If not, I have to raise the car and blah blah blah. So maybe I should put the new brakes on. Just kidding. I don't have new brakes yet. It's too expensive. And this car doesn't go that fast, so I don't need brakes. I do need brakes, but I don't need hella brakes. I'm gonna do the other side, and then we'll be done with this install. It is not bright outside anymore because I took the last 2 hours to cook and eat dinner, so I have not been doing this. It is now dark out, well, dark-ish, and well, no longer bright. So the easiest way to put this is I'm gonna change the camber arm. It's gonna be super duper easy. It's right here. So there are 2 bolts, 1 and 2, and then 1 bolt right here. So 3 bolts, done. And then after all that, it'll be just bolt in, and I can adjust the camber later on. I'm just gonna take this chance to compare the 2 camber arms. So I'm gonna line these up, make sure they're the same length and everything, but here is the camber arm, this is the adjustable one, and this is the stock one. Oh shit, wait, that's so good pivot! Just a little bit of camber, oh my god. A little bit of camber went a long way, look at this, oh my goodness. Okay, there's a lot of poke here, but look at this. It's just, woo! And it's gonna sit a little more, and then there's still like 2 fingers of gap, so I don't GG my fender yet, but I probably will have to roll my fender just in case. But it looks good. Just that little bit of camber. Oh my god, my car is sitting so low. It's literally like I think 4 inches off the ground. Oh my god. That is sheesh. Alright, gonna mess the camber on that one, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, and then we'll be done with suspension, so yee! I am so tired. We'll continue this tomorrow. Alright. Well, you know, if you know, you know. Another Red Bull. I'm going to hike today, so Red Bull, driving, totally dangerous, no problem. Eat that ass.
Damn right. 1,000 years of pain. Oh shit.
Wait, John.
Hold on.
Catch. It's recording, by the way. Got some rock climbing skills to test. Ah. Okay, now let's go. Pick up.
I nobody really knows that.
Nope.
We made it farther.
Oh, that's cool.
What? The rock? I think we're lost. Yeah, we are. Ow, 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 ow. Ah, ah, ow, guys, ah, ow. Wait, we were down there. Wait, no, we were over there before, right? Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you liked the video, and let's say type hi in the comments if you made it this far. And if you made it to the end, the only reward you get is that you get to see a little more vloggy stuff. You get to see a little more random things that happened in my life, even though it's quarantine right now. A lot of things going on, so unfortunately, you can go to state parks now. So that's a good thing. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and look forward to future car videos. The next one's going to be a GTI video. I haven't gotten a mod for the GTI in a bit because they all back ordered and or late and stuff. Took 2 months to get my next mod, so that was a good thing. Follow me on Instagram. It should be right here. And that's where I may or may not post some stories about what I'm going to do next, which I did already. So, yeah. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!